So yesterday was really good on GJ. This is the trade I took. It was based off of the fact that, the first thing I see is that on the 4-hour, now we're making higher highs and higher lows. Higher lows are being maintained, higher low, higher low. So I was only looking for a break of resistance. And the last resistance, meaningful resistance that we had was like this level right here. I don't remember when I entered. Oh, yeah. Okay, so I entered around here. Oh, but I also talked about when I entered in yesterday. So yeah, the entry was around here. The original stop loss was here. But when I saw that, the high lows are being maintained, I just put it like here, just kind of like in the middle of this massive candle. So my stop loss ended up being around here. And I was going to put my take profit to right here, but I wanted a little bit more just because mainly, this is originally what we were operating on. I wanted at least like a 1 to 2 or something. So, I ended up putting it there, adjusted stop loss to there. So this ended up being the trade for today. It's a little bit interesting because the 4-hour is very bullish. The 1 hour is bullish, but the daily still seems to be bearish. Like lower low, lower high, lower low. You would expect a lower high, but I can't take sells just yet because the 4-hour is very bullish. Like with this momentum candle, bro, I wouldn't be surprised if price kept continuing bullish. And my 3 rules anyhow are to go with the 4-hour flow, enter after the lower time frame breaks to align it, and then look to the left for a TP. And that's been working out really good for me so far. So I'm gonna keep my bias as bullish, but I think it needs to move away from this area a little bit. On the 15-minute, I see that, we were making higher highs, higher lows. Everything was cute. Everything was good until we had this break of support right here. Now we have a lower high forming, and I put if a bearish engulfing forms, somewhere around here, we may go bearish as a pullback. Now I'm not saying bearish forever. I'm just saying bearish for the moment, like in a way where you can look for a break of resistance to then continue this bullish move, right? Like just wait for resistance to break. Or the other case could be like if it breaks this level here and gives me like a big fat nice 2 candles bullish above here, then okay, cool. A 30-minute almost engulfed the previous candle, but it did not. But at the same time, it would be well within its right to continue bullish because on the 30-minute, we have not actually broken any type of support. So there's that. Am I trading DJ today? Only if I see a clear break above this level, because otherwise I don't know, it's not like a high probability trade. For gold now. All right, so for gold, the daily is bearish, the 4-hour is bullish, and so is the 1 hour. But if I look on the daily, this looks like a really good place where we could possibly take some sells from if we have a break of support. So if this level breaks, there's a chance that price could continue bearish, but the 4-hour is still very much so bullish. Like the last lower high we had was right here, and then we had this massive candle, and it looks like, okay, cool, from here we can continue going bullish. But at the same time, if you look on the daily time frame, it looks like this could be an area where price, and this level is taken from the weekly, right? So there's a potential that price could go bearish as much as there is a potential for price to go bullish. Will I be taking a trade today on gold? if I see a break of resistance, but it can't be right here because I know that there's way too much liquidity right here. So I'm gonna just put it. No buying in this zone, but you know, just a zone because I don't want to take the trade and then it actually retraces like it wanted to do from the jump, you know. But or if anything, trading after like 8:15, 8:30ish to see what the vibe is would be a really good idea. So yeah, there's nothing. Oh. Damn, now the question is, how far could this possibly go before it turns around? I would say take profit 1, take profit 2, because this is me definitely going against my plan. But at the same time, the daily is where I have the most clarity. So, you know, if I say, oh, I'm going to buy, don't be surprised. Or I'm going to sell, I mean. Something like this is what I'm thinking about. Yeah, I want to take this trade right now, but it doesn't align with my plan. But at the same time, it kind of does. So maybe price can see this on the 30-minute, which I can. There's a better possibility. Can I see it on the 1 hour? No, not really, but it is kind of a lower high. I'm going to be looking at this because there's a potential that this could be the trade. If this is not it, if I see a break of resistance before the 4 hour actually breaks this level, because this is the last higher low on the 4 hour, you can come here and maybe if it's a wick and then I see a break of resistance, then we're good. We have news at 8:30. So you know that there's something's about to pop off. So I look forward to that.